Don't you come back no more.
Today, we will be visiting Ottumwa, Fort Madison, and Burlington. Here we are on the map, and we are starting our day in Ottumwa, Iowa. You know, it's great when you don't even have to leave your room and you can still do a little bit of rail fanning. There's the Ottumwa CPKC yards right behind our room. The first stop of the day is going to be the station at Ottumwa. How do you know that this is the station of Ottumwa? Well, it says so here, and also here, and here, and here, and here, and here. Wow, that's a lot of signage. It's a beautiful morning, and in front of me is the Amtrak station. It's very, very quiet on a Sunday morning. You might be able to hear there's a fountain in front of the station, and hiding over under the trees, look at this. This static display engine at 3001 is a 464 Class S4 locomotive. That was for the CB&Q, Chicago, Burlington, and Quincy Railroad by Baldwin Locomotive Works in 1930. There is something here in this location. It's not railroad related, but it is history, and I thought maybe a lot of you would enjoy seeing this. So there's this big 5,000-pound granite fountain sitting here. It's not functional right now, and it has a plaque on it. It says that it was donated by the National Humane Alliance Foundation, the founder being Herman Lee Ensign, and a date of 1906. And you go, okay, I don't know what that's all about. Well, let's just take 1 second, because this is a great story. Mr. Ensign was an American, born in 1849. He wasn't born into a family of power, money, prestige. He was just a regular working guy. Just like the rest of us, he worked really hard, and he was able to make a fortune at the end of his short life. He died at the age of 50. And the thing that he wanted most was a better ethical treatment for animals. So he started the National Humane Alliance Foundation. And what this foundation did was they offered to cities free of charge, as long as the city promised to maintain them, these beautiful fountains. And these fountains were for humans, horses, cats, and dogs, so that everyone would have access to clean drinking water. About 125 of these fountains were donated to cities, and about half of them are still publicly viewable today. Although not too many of them have been restored and are still functional, but some of them are. And I just thought that that was a really nice story, and I wanted to share that with you. And before leaving the town of Ottumwa, we also ran across this engine. This is Burlington Junction Railway, number 714. It's sitting behind a fence, unfortunately, so not the best photograph. And it's a coincidence because we'll actually be heading to Burlington later today. And now we're going to be traveling east about an hour-and-a-half drive to Fort Madison. This is a pretty busy railfan location. It's been estimated that between 40 and 100 trains cross through here every day. And now I'm at Fort Madison, and there's a covered walkway that goes over double BNSF tracks. And over to the side here, there's the old Santa Fe depot. Do you want to take a look? Here, let's take a look. The Asheton, Topeka, and Santa Fe built a bridge over the Mississippi River in the late 19th century, making Fort Madison a major rail hub. This historic district includes the former passenger depot that was built in 1910 and used until 1968, a freight station that was built in 1934, and Railway Express Agency. In 2021, Amtrak moved back into the historic Santa Fe depot. This walkway is great to take photos from, but it's a little bit windy up here. another 30 minutes drive to the northeast, and we're in Burlington, Iowa. We've been to Burlington quite a few times. Always worth going along the riverfronts because they have a couple of tracks there and you don't know what you might see. Although this particular engine we've seen a number of times over the years. I don't think it's moved in at least 3 years. We were both patient and lucky, and after 2 hours of waiting in this location, we got to see a freight train, a coal train actually, coming across the bridge from Illinois into Burlington. Like this and want to see more? Subscribe to this channel and you'll get to see all the latest videos. Don't forget to push like and share. Thank you so much.